We back. What's up?
We're back.
Reacting to Family Guy Dark Humor Compilation 1. Let's see. I love me some Family Guy.
That truck's coming up on us awful fast.
Holy crap! Do you see what I see?
I'm afraid I do.
We're being chased by ghosts! It's not that bad. Your life could be worse. You could be a black.
Ha.
A black.
Ha.
Go
ha,
ahead.
ha, ha.
We're being chased by ghosts! Oh, come on. It's not that bad. Your life could be worse. You could be a black. A black.
Go ahead.
A blanket.
I'm just a stupid old blanket. What a lousy life this is.
All right, you saved it.
At our wedding.
Oh, you look beautiful. And he's a handsome fella, ain't he?
Well, I am ready for my
What
evening.
the fuck?
Oh my God, Peter! What the hell?
Peter, what are you doing?
Oh, surely, Jerome, you don't want to stay in the same house as a ghost who carries a torch around. Oh, fire ghost. Oh, you scared yet? Didn't know this place was haunted, did you? Okay, nobody move.
Oh my God, those guys in first class have guns.
Cleveland, just be happy with what you have. Don't envy people.
Died not 30 minutes ago in the carriage on the way here.
Well, we all know how this goes. I'm doing it.
Hey, Lois, I'd like you to meet our new friend.
Jerome?
Loose Lois.
What?
Loose,
guys-
loose.
Wait, his name is Jerome?
Yeah.
Really? His actual name is Jerome.
Oh,
This guy, the black guy.
yeah, the character, Jerome.
Okay.
Know each other?
Know each other? Peter, Jerome is an old boyfriend of mine.
What?
Oh, sorry, I was out of it. Wait, are we being robbed?
My ass.
Man, this trip is dangerous. Couldn't we have just taken a bus?
No, black guy.
Whoa.
Oh, a message from Joe.
Hey, Cleveland, I just wanted to give you a heads up that Peter has a whip because, well, you know, given your racial heritage, it seems like something you might want to keep an eye out for.
Grape soda gun.
I know this is very risky, but the upside is so good, I'm taking it.
Lois, to show I'm in touch with what it's like to be African American, I am going to go to the middle of the town square, get naked, and paint myself brown.
No, that's offensive. You can't pretend to be black. That's a stupid idea.
What?
It's a stupid idea. You're a stupid man. A stupid man.
Ow! You're hurting me! Stop it! Stop it, Lois!
No, I'm so sick of your crap. Why do you always do these stupid things? And why do you always announce them to me before you do them? Are you trying to get a rise out of me?
9/11 changed everything, Brian. 9/11 changed everything.
Peter, you didn't even know what 9/11 was until 2004.
That's not true, Brian. I remember 9/11. Must have been a woman pilot, eh?
Oh, damn. I say, I seem to have sewn a shoe to my hand. May I go to the nurse? Replace him! Ah!
Put them to work.
Faster!
Ah!
Pathway to
to
enlightenment
work.
starts with an unfettered, focused mind.
Look out!
What are you doing?
Oh, I thought that dot on your head was from a sniper rifle.
You think all those chickens had to buy tickets?
I don't know, but I'm starving. What I wouldn't give right now for a big, juicy steak.
How dare you?
To us, cows are sacred. That's right. You are disrespecting our entire culture.
And why did Wes Anderson come here to make his worst movie?
Stewie, what do we do?
Quick, hit the red buttons!
Wow, that came in handy.
That works.
Let's get out of
their
here.
wieners look like. Yeah, no, let's get out of here.
Peter, this spot is a sacred adornment. It's a portal, an opening through which all light, goodness, rejuvenation, joy, and ecstasy may enter the human form.
A vagina?
Get out.
You know, it actually looks like the Native Americans have done all right for themselves. They do seem to have a lot of shops.
And it looks like they have medical care as well.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, but I've done this several times today, and your husband just isn't responding.
Well, have you tried this?
Ma'am, this is a place of medicine.
And their popular music is interesting.
And here it is, the #1 song for the 10,000th week in a row. Hiya, hiya, hiya.
Ireland was a much different place before the discovery of alcohol. Most experts believe it was something like this.
Gentlemen, today we, Ireland's top scientists, have found a way to convert our entire population to pure energy. Oh, it's a glorious day.
Hey, Michael McLeod's just invented a new kind of beverage in his basement.
Whiskey.
All right, here's one. So, a horse walks into a bar and the bartender says, "Why the long face?"
That's hilarious.
Hey, screw you.
Whoa!
What the hell's your problem? You're my problem, dude. That joke is offensive.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm sorry that not everyone conforms to your preconceived notions of attractiveness.
It's a joke, man.
Oh, yeah? Oh, it's a joke? How about this? Why are there so few black baseball players?
Why?
Because they're always stealing bases.
Whoa! Hey, now that is offensive.
Yeah, what the hell, man?
Hey, it's a joke, man.
Yeah, but it's racist.
Oh, the horse with the long face just told a racist joke, huh?
Yeah, that's different.
Oh, yeah? How's it different?
Hey, why do you have so many drinks and you haven't touched any of them?
Hello, Einstein. Hooves. No freaking thumbs. Can't pick up a glass.
Well, then why are you in a bar?
Bite me, that's why. Douchebag.
Look, I think we all got off on the wrong foot here.
Yeah, well, you got that right.
We're sorry, okay?
All right, me too.
Look, I'm Mike, and this is Harry.
Sarah Jessica Parker.
This man has the latest in law enforcement.
Oh my god.
The fuck?
Sarah Jessica Parker, really? That actress with the long face?
Watch.
I did not mean that, Sarah.
Suspect. You have the right to remain silent.
Sweet. Hey, let me try.
Cleveland, don't. Minority suspect. Danger. He's got a gun.
I mean, just placed that gun.
Hey, let me try.
Cleveland, don't. Minority suspect. Danger. He's got a gun.
Ah, dang it.
Do you have any idea how fast you were going, sir?
Peter?
Hey, Cleveland, this is just so we can talk without getting spotted by Lois or Donna.
I need you to step out of the car, sir.
Peter, there's gotta be a better way.
He's got a knife!
Sorry, Cleveland, it's gotta be authentic.
Stay down! Stay down!
Cleveland, try to grab my gun.
Oh, trying to grab my gun, are you?
He's talking.
Hey, rookie, save some for me.
Wow, the whole gang's back together.
Shut up. We don't need you in this town.
Tell you what, let me call Horace and tell him to get our table ready.
Peter, did you just...
Let's go. Oh, God, there's 4.
Please don't free the slaves. It's a bad idea. They'll try to get back at us, and that's our biggest fear.
Hey.
Allahu Akbar!
My allergies and everything else. Just terrible.
All right, let's go. What should we leave for a tip?
The food and service were both great. Give him the full 3%.
Full 3%.
This is why I hate going outside.
That was hilarious.
And again, the global community's inaction during the Holocaust was unforgivable.
Hey, Dale. I noticed your lawn's getting a little high.
Yeah, I used to have a guy for that. Dick.
Okay, now, you have a good one.
And this much tension when this...
Shit, that joke. Fuck.
Slaves were freed.
Okay, so, you're free to go. But we're cool, right?
What? Say the word? Right now?
Yeah. Together. Ready?
You bet.
You could have just quit the show.
We're not the first people to be dragged off against our will.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Damn it, I swear to God, I will turn this ship around.
That works.
Okay.
You teach us a
Yeah.
lesson.
Yeah, that's even better.
Why not?
All right, if that's what you... Wait a minute!
Now return to Damn Nature, You Scary on BET.
Damn
that motherfucker run fast. You see that shit? That thing come by my house, I kill it.
Was anybody gonna wake me up for the party? It's 6:30. I went down at noon. Now I'm gonna be up all night watching bad reality TV.
We now return to Uber driver Ninja Warrior.
First, he's got to swing on the gold chains across the cologne bath without
Why is
dropping
he
his
Indian,
e-cigarette.
Uber driver.
Next, he's got to pick up a rideshare
Exactly.
customer.
Why is he Indian?
Now he's gonna be late, but he's going to make it seem like the passenger's fault and not his.
Where the hell have you been?
I've been here, man. Maybe you pressed wrong button. I don't know. Now don't talk to me. I'm on 4 different phone calls.
Yeah, that was Family Guy.
Dark humor. That was a bit mild though, like, cause Family Guy can get really, really, really bad. That was mild. That was mild. Anyway, suggest any other video you'd like us to react to. Give it a like. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. We've got more videos. Watch every other video we have. There's definitely something there for you.
I've never watched an episode.
Yeah?
I've never watched an episode.
Family Guy.
I've watched clips. And what do you mean it's mild? They literally just made a joke of slavery.
Nah, but that was mild.
Hey.
We'll react to more. That was mild.
I saw the KKK, I saw slaves, I saw...
But
what else did I see?
The punchlines were mild. That's what I'm saying. They were like they do some trash stuff.
Yeah, Jesus.